Killing time, mastering the art of patience. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's quite common in the English language: kill time. This intriguing expression is often heard in everyday conversations, and understanding it can be very helpful for both English language learners and fluent speakers alike. Let's explore what it means to kill time, how to use it, and some examples to get you using it like a native speaker. Kill time is an idiomatic expression that means to engage in an activity, usually an easy or leisurely one, to make time pass more quickly when waiting for something or when one has nothing else to do. It's important to note that this phrase has nothing to do with violence. It's simply a figure of speech used to describe the action of making time seem to pass more swiftly. The phrase, kill time, has been a part of the English lexicon for centuries, and it's believed to originate from the way people would describe time that felt wasted or unproductive. However, in our modern context, killing time doesn't always mean unproductive. Often, it's just a way to stay occupied during periods of waiting. Using kill time in a sentence is quite straightforward. You can say, I had an hour to spare before my appointment, so I decided to kill time by reading a magazine. It can be used in various tenses as well, such as killed time, killing time, and will kill time. Let's look at some examples. I'm early for the movie, so I'll just kill time in the arcade. She killed time chatting with a friend on the phone. We have a long layover, so we need to find a way to kill time at the airport. And that's a wrap on kill time. Remember, this phrase is all about making the most of the moments when you're waiting or have nothing urgent to do. It's a useful expression to add to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and we hope you find fun ways to kill time until our next video.